So I found this metronome in Miles City, Montana in a thrift store. Bought it for about $5. What's interesting is, so I found this on there. It apparently was at one point $31.95. I don't know what that means or if it means anything. It's really interesting. It's some sort of I don't know how it works. It's an electronic metronome. So you flip it on and it clicks. And it has a knob here which increases the tempo or decreases it and increases it this way. So this is interesting because what I also notice is as you move it up and down, the tempo will lower and raise. Hold on. So because of this, if you move it around, you get a wild, like crazy tempo. So, you know, the only way to get a good tempo apparently is to really get a level and make sure that it's perfectly flat on the earth if you want your correct tempo. And then who knows if that's the real tempo. Now see there it is. See, and when you hit it in this axis, it's really you can really it's very interesting. So it's spatially aligned. It's a metronome that depends on the force of gravity, which is kind of amazing. And it slows and speeds up according to how you move it around. And that always fucking blew my mind. Anyway, what's really cool to me, and it's above my pay grade according to music, is that you can actually set it to do all of these different things. You know, it has this instruction here to find the setting when the time signature and only the Italian tempo indication are given. First refer to chart 1, and then you can see chart 1 right there, and now you have these things. And I did mess around with this a little bit. I didn't want to break it, so I moved it a little bit, but it's weird. You can feel like little chips or something moving around in there. I don't know, this thing really fucking fascinates me. You know, tells you how many volts you use up here. And then it tells you example, what should be a metronome setting for time 2/2. Half note usually receives 1 metronome beat from chart 2 allegro. I mean, this thing gets really complicated, and it's really fascinating. And I don't know if anybody out there can help me out to understand what all this means and how it works and stuff. That would be pretty cool. All right, anyway. Well, let's look at the front again. It's just a pretty nice little metronome. Innocuous enough. I would like to know there's like a gyroscope in there. I don't understand that. God. That's freaking me out. Anyway.